Hello friends, in this video we are going to get the product collection of the new products. So whenever we try to add any product in the Magento admin panel, so we are trying to fetch which one are the new products. So let's start how we can achieve this. So first of all, let me complete the command which is pending. Let me update and compile it first. That let's create some new products and check is it coming or not. I will explain you how we can set the new product date so that we can fetch all that records accordingly. Completed. So this is done. Let's create products. Go to the catalog, products, login, session expired. Maybe. So now we are going to create products. Go to catalog, products. So these are the two products. I'm going to add the two more products and set the date. So make it demo product one. Use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Price would be 45. Quantity would be 33. In stock, catalog search, default. Make it go today to uh, November 30. Okay, then I'm save this product. So 30 October to November, this product will be act as a new product. Let's create one more. Let's hit our API. The one product is coming or not. Actually, we have three products. Okay, so what is the product name? Get new products. Get new products. API. Get new products. Get new products. Why it's not working? Get new products. It should work. Okay, here I am not setting this. Sorry. Get products. Okay, okay. So class I forgot. Get new products. Let's run dollar create. We'll start with a create deployment. We have the last one on this one. This is done. Let's hit the API. Undefined property store ID. Oh, forget store ID again. Okay, let's put once as a store ID. Send. This is only one product which I have created right now. Okay, news from to date, and that is entity ID 3. Right now I have created this product ID. After that, if I'm going to create one more product, go to the products. Let's create add one more product, because last two products why we are not getting in, because the date and time is not set for that. That's the reason I have only three products, but one is coming. Why? Because we have set the timing for from which date to which date it would be act as a new product. So this is how it is driving. If I put the demo product 2, and here I said 3 4 5 6 7 9. If I put 12 price here, quantity 23, default category, let's just select go today and go this and save this. But here also I can enable that section, because here if I enable this for each collection and return this new product list, return new product list here, and see what we are getting. Get price info on array. Get price info. Let me check what is get price info. Get price info. Which field it has? Four. Four. Product get. Okay, we need to find out as collection. Quantity ordered. Okay, I forgot to remove the quantity ordered. So remove this one. So demo product 1 and demo product 2. So these are the two which we have added right now. So this we have this is how we can get the new products in Magento 2. So I hope you will understand this flow, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do share and like and comment. Thank you so much.